Practicing daily meditation can change your life for the better. It has changed the lives of millions of people. Many geniuses of our past have been known to meditate. Enhancing your quality of life is as simple as finding a quiet place, closing your eyes, and becoming aware. Some think that meditation is about clearing your mind, but this is not always the case. You can meditate on anything. Meditation is about returning to your point of focus when you've noticed your mind has strayed. Simply being aware of the present moment is meditating. Meditation increases your focus. It gives you better sleep and an overall sense of happiness. You can even boost creativity, get in touch with your intuition, and increase your immunity. Your overall well-being will be lifted and brought to a new frequency through daily meditation. And I say daily because you cannot meditate just once and feel the benefits. Feeling all the benefits from your meditation practice takes consistency, but start slow. Meditate for 1 minute every day, preferably when you first wake up or when you're going to bed. This is when you're more relaxed and the brain is functioning at a slower rate. It is best to meditate in the sitting position so that the brain is active. If you are lying down, your brain may get the message that it's time to go to sleep or take a nap. So make sure you're upright, keeping your back straight. Place your hands on your lap or on your knees. If you have your palms upwards, facing the sky, this means you are open. If your palms are facing downward on your legs, this means you are being grounded. There are different hand mudras that you can look up on your own, which mean all different kinds of things. So as you breathe, you relax. Be patient when your mind wanders. This is the nature of the mind. It wanders around from thing to thing, trying to take your awareness. You may not have complete control over your mind just yet, but you have control over your awareness. Whatever you are aware of, notice it. Are you aware of your body sitting on the surface below? Are you aware of your head balanced atop your spine? Perhaps you are aware of some thoughts coming up and going out of the mind. What kinds of thoughts are you having? What kinds of emotions are these thoughts carrying with them? These are some things to think about in your meditation. And as you meditate every day, increase your time that you sit from 1 minute to 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Remember, take your time. This is a new practice, and sometimes meditation is a little hard, but that's okay, 'cause you got this. Namaste.